video because I'm inconsistent right now. I look very crusty and rusty, but it has been a long 12 hours, honey. I worked all day yesterday, got off, drove to South Carolina, caught up with my parents in South Carolina, then we drove to Atlanta. Got to Atlanta, almost missed our flight, but we are now in New York. So what I'm gonna do right now is just give you a little room tour. After that, I don't know where this trip is gonna go. By the way, we're here for my mother's birthday, so I'm just gonna give you a room tour right now, so stay tuned. So this is the view of the room from the door. It has a nice natural light, and yes, that's our luggage over there. I have the cute pineapples right there. That's me. But yeah, nice natural light situation going on in the room. I've been wanting to do this all day where I look like I'm taking a picture holding something between my fingertips. So now I'm holding my mama. But anyways, nice natural light situation going on. Yes, yes, yes. Nice clean look. And got a little refrigerator going on here. Just even more natural light.
Put your food up.
Yes. Look at this. The views are crazy. Spectacular. I was gonna say that.
I said it first.
Yep. So it's just really nice here. So that's that. What else do we have going on in here? A long corridor of nothing but buildings. Can't wait to see the skyline at night. Nice little shower situation. Nice little sink situation. Nice little toilet situation. Everything's a nice little situation. But yeah, this hotel is like really, really nice. I almost didn't expect that.
It's Daba.
Yeah. Nice pick. I'm just ready to see when the buildings light up tonight. And that's the television, which is huge as well.
To the tune of 42.
Thanks, Vanna White. And yeah, now you're back out the door. So, oh yeah, I have to go, but I had to not omit the full-length mirror. Do not mind my socks. It's cold out here. I'm a Southern belle.
Do not judge.
But yes, guys, that's it.
Oh.
Hi guys, we are on tour. I was trying to put a structure back there, but I don't know where it went. Look at that.
Twin Tower?
No. Look, that's
Central Park.
Hotel.
Looking at Trump International Hotel and Tower. Oh yeah, together. Yes, so we're on a tour right now. I'm on one of the double-decker buses. We are obviously up on the very tippity top. Whoop-diddy scoop. Look at the horse carriage, guys. I had to really zoom in. There goes the horse carriage running through Central Park.
Get out of Central Park and walk.
They only beat him by 4 points.
I'm stalking the horse carriage for you guys.
I don't think that's helping when you got to put up 45.
No, that ain't good. That's not good. Look, look, guess what he's trying to hold? He's trying to hold.
Not perfect.
Instant here in the shed.
I would get so lost in that Burlington right